Secondly, Mr. Speaker, if you go to county government, they don't have even experience and expertise as far as roads are concerned. There are no engineers in those counties. The work of the engineers are done by CECs and chief officers and the contractors themselves. So, Mr. Speaker, I am really happy that this budget is allocated to Isiolo County. But I hope the county government of Isiolo should put this money in proper use, because I know there is a bridge that collapsed yesterday in Isiolo County as a result of rains, and they should be able to utilize this money to have a solution to it. Mr. Speaker, the second point I wanted to raise is on community health promoters. Mr. Speaker, our health staff in those counties, they are in pathetic situation. Mr. Speaker, they don't get salary, they don't get allowances, their remittance is not remitted to NHIF, not to NSSF. Mr. Speaker, how do you expect a member of staff who has not gotten salary for 2-3 months to attend to a patient? It's not possible, Mr. Speaker. And something needs to be done. We are happy that this money is going to the counties. But when this money hits the account of the county government, this money is diverted elsewhere. Mr. Speaker, as a house, we cannot just sit here and always talk about counties doing A, doing B, and doing C. You will see maybe the chair of Public Accounts Committee will speak to the reports of Public Accounts Committee. These governors, when they are asked to come and appear before the Public Accounts Committee or any other committee of oversight, none of them will appear. They will always give excuse. I've traveled to where I am sick, I am what, you know. Accountability is a big problem as far as a budget allocated to those counties are concerned. Mr. Speaker, on the headquarters, I remember I sat in a committee that allocated budget to the 5 counties that are financed by the national government. This was 2015. Up to date, Mr. Speaker, if I speak for Isiolo County, that building is a shell. That building is an eyesore. Mr. Speaker, 2015 to date, those are how many years down the line? We don't have offices. We are actually dipping into our pocket and paying rent to private individuals, while we should have actually prioritized in finishing that particular building. Mr. Speaker, we always get our priorities wrong. And I wish those who have been allocated, because I can see Isiolo has been allocated 150 million, they should utilize that money to actually finish that particular building. Mr. Speaker, the other point I wanted to speak to is County Industrial Park. As it has been indicated, there are only 19 counties that are financed. But you will see the governors all over now, they are running around looking for land where they can be able to fix industrial park. Even those who are not among the 19, Mr. Speaker, they are allocating budget to industrial park. And I think we need to have our priorities right. When you know our headquarters is not fixed, why do you run around fixing industrial park without a budget allocation? And I hope the finance committee should look into this and see those who already have budget in their allocated budget for that purpose in their budget are the only ones who should be actually given the 250 from national government. Mr. Speaker, on the projects that are actually pending, Mr. Speaker, there are so many projects that have stalled in this country. So many. And instead of, Mr. Speaker, finishing the projects that have stalled, even in the counties, the new governors, instead of finishing the projects that have been started, they'll abandon and start theirs. National government, you will see, instead of finishing the projects they have started, a very good one is equalization fund, Mr. Speaker. You will see there are so many projects under equalization fund that has been abandoned by the national government, Mr. Speaker. Those are the projects that should have helped